Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the game and profile are updated, and that HUD mods are disabled. This prevents conflicts. Once done, open Options, then Display or Graphics and go to the HUD and Map section. This is where tracking color lives. From there, choose Tracking Color or Custom Color. You'll see presets and a color wheel. Make sure you're using the right input method for your platform, keyboard, mouse, or controller, so the next adjustments respond instantly. Now you pick a color and fine-tune it because contrast matters for quick tracking. Select a preset for speed, or open the color wheel and RGB sliders to dial hue, saturation, and brightness. Lower saturation if the world is colorful, increase brightness for foggy conditions. Once you choose values, preview them on the map and in Game Marker. This shows how visible the tracker will be. If visibility is low, tweak opacity or shift the hue by a few degrees until finish by saving and applying the new tracking color, then load into a hunting area to test. Try different lighting, dawn, noon, dusk, because what looks good in one condition may vanish in another. If the marker still fails to appear, make sure colorblind mode or other accessibility settings aren't overriding your choice, disable any HUD mods, and restart the game. That usually resolves conflicts. If not, reset HUD to default and redo the color steps to guarantee the tracker is visible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.